Hello and welcome to this Ebase Xi video tour. My name is Constance Rawlins and I'm a product consultant for Ebase Technology. This video is the first part of a two-part series on the Xi presentation layer. In this first part, we're going to focus on the use of presentation templates, style sheets and property sets, and then in part 2 we'll look at the application and maintenance of styles. Before watching this video, I'd recommend viewing the introduction to the ADP video so you can familiarise yourself with the Ebase design environment. If you've already done this, let's begin. When it comes to creating the look and feel for your web application, you normally need to have a good understanding of standards like HTML and CSS. Ebase Xi aims to abstract the technical complexity and detailed understanding of these standards by providing you with a number of intuitive and easy-to-use modules in a single technology development environment. Let's go into the Ebase Xi Designer. Let's start by looking at presentation templates. A presentation template in Ebase provides a base for creating and managing different sets of styles, and once one has been created, it can be shared across multiple applications. Think of it as a theme, or a skin for your web application. But Xi presentation templates can be much more powerful than this, and this two-part video series is going to show you how. So, let's create a presentation template. It's very simple. Here in the tree view there is a folder called Presentation. Go into this folder and select the Presentation Templates folder. As you can see here, we already have a selection of presentation templates, and you will find these in your version of Ebase Xi. To create a new presentation template, right-click the Presentation Templates folder and click Create New Presentation Template. And let's call this Template Demo. So here we have an empty presentation template, and this is where you create and maintain all of your styles. On the left-hand side of the editor we have the Configure Property Sets box, where you can create property sets. We're going to look at the default style sheets box at the bottom here. To create a new style sheet, go into the style sheet folder in Presentation, right-click the folder and select Create Style Sheet. A style sheet in Ebase is where you can create your own CSS rules, and you have the ability to attach multiple style sheets to a single presentation template. There are two ways of doing this, in design mode or code mode. Let's have a look at design mode first. On the right is the styling assistant. Using this we can change the font, text, box and background properties of a class. So, let's create one. Click the New Rule button, and that's it. Let's give this class a set of properties. Just to keep things simple, I'm only going to change the border and the background. And save it. And that is all there is to it. You can see your design in the preview box at the bottom. And if we go into the Code tab, you can see that Ebase has created a CSS class. In code mode, you can hand code your CSS rules if this is something you prefer to do. Simply write your new class, click Save, and in the Design tab, you will find your new class ready for you to use within your application. You also have the option to import styles from an external style sheet, handy if you have a corporate style to adhere to. Okay, so let's go back to our presentation template and have a look at the Configure Property Sets box. We're going to create what's called a property set. An Ebase property set is a collection of styling properties that you assign to a specific Ebase control. Here we can choose which control we wish to style. We can create an unlimited number of styles specific to a control, and each control is available for styling. The order of available controls mirrors those that are available in the designer. Just to keep things simple, I'm going to create a style property for a panel. Right-click and select Create New Property Set. On the right-hand side, a Properties panel has come up, and this is where you set your style. click Control Style and a styling assistant appears. Ebase Xi styling assistants are fast and easy to use. You can access the majority of CSS properties, and for anything more advanced, you have the Advanced section. OK, so now any panel I set to this style will have a blue background and yellow border. Remember to click Save. So to sum up, Ebase Xi presentation templates provide a reusable and solid base for creating and managing your application's look and feel. Creating your own style sheets and classes in Ebase is easy with our smart styling assistants, and you don't need to be an expert in web standards to do it. And with Ebase property sets, styling your page is a fast and painless process. Remember to watch part 2 of this series, where we'll be looking at how to assign and maintain the styles we created in this video. Thank you for your time, and please visit the Ebase Resource Centre to discover more about what Ebase Xi can do for you.